Ooh, this is nice. Whoa. Beautiful. I'll chuck the anchor out. G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. It's another beautiful day here. Me and Emily, we just dropped the ski in and we've just gone for a cruise. A little bit breezy today, but in this bay it's so beautiful. Yesterday, we actually got a call up and got told that there might be some orcas. So we shot out there and got some footage, got a good interaction. I'll roll on some of those clips. We stumbled across a big pod of orcas. Got all the circus with it, but unfortunately there's planes in the air. Everyone's doing the right thing. They're sort of giving the distance to the orcas. Hopefully they'll come up and you guys can have a look at them. So it's right there. Oh my gosh, it's on.
There's another one.
That was so sick. Turned the motors off and was drifting and they come straight up to us. We got an interaction and now we're about to bail, but 9 boats, 2 planes, constantly harassing them. It's a tough one. All right, so we've come across a patch of blue water and all the team's gonna go for a free dive. Oh well. Oh, this is a nice comfy chair right here. What? Look at this thing. Oh, perfect. I might get the drone up in the air because it's so beautiful right now. Perfect opportunity, and then we'll keep steaming that way and see what happens. Now there's a porcupine ray right there as well. Yeah, a porcupine ray right there. I didn't even see it. Whoa! That was so cool. He was just feeding on something. He got friendly with me. Wasn't too worried about me around, and then I got a cool little swim with it then before it started to make its way and go to the next spot. Oh, man, this is so beautiful, huh? Oh, my drone's starting to beep now. Forgot about that. This critical battery, so I better land it before it crashes in the ocean again. That would suck. Oh, critical battery. Whoops. It's like just glassed off. It's absolutely beautiful out here now. Not really a breath of wind, and it's so clear, and there's bloody fish everywhere. This is really amazing. Hey, I'm so lucky to be able to do this stuff. Oh, is that a shark? Oh! No, it's not a shark. Oh, I couldn't help myself. Ah, my phone! Oops. That was close. Oh, I almost forgot. I was meant to go to Bali today, but I actually cancelled the tickets because the weather's meant to be so good, and today has turned it on. So if you're wondering why I said last episode I was going to Bali, it's because I was meant to, but I cancelled it to do this, so I can do what I want. Alright, we're just going to go for a quick swim and head back into town, and we'll just see what happens later on. I'm not sure, I might drop the ski back in, might go for another adventure, but we'll see you guys then. Today while I was out in the ski, Jared, Sal and D-Man dropped the tinny in and went out diving, and they got some good red fish, red emperor and a big mangrove jack. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. The boys are telling me that it was wild. I haven't seen the footage yet, but I'll roll on the clips. It should be insane. Check it out. 26.6 meters, minute 30. Thanks for that. Filled with glass fish, poked my head in a fair way.
to clear the glassfish way to be able to see this big boy. Pull the trigger at 26.5 metres.
26.5 metres, nice fish, brother.
Two very good fish from the tinny. Been trying to do this for a while. Very happy with that. There's plenty more fish left in that cave, and yeah, we're just going to leave them. Next time we've got enough here for a feed, so.
You beauty. Yeah, brother.
Get some. D-man lost his, he popped a good mackie, lost his spear somehow, just took off, took all his line, and just pulled in just his line. The spear was gone.
Whoa. Did you get that on film? Oh, I don't know. Oh no, that's right.
I think he got his aspect ratio
I
right.
forgot
but his
about
battery
that.
was dead.
D-man's battery was dead today on his GoPro. Beautiful slab of meat right there. Nice work, Jared. Big jack wings on the menu tonight. Jared's just gonna take them out now.
I think I'm the only one that's done that.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Also, while the boys were out in the tinny and I was out in the ski, Jacko took the boat out with Isla and Kat, and apparently they got a big crayfish, so that's going to be their dinner tonight, and I'm just going to get some footage of it. Whoa, was that one of the legs?
Hold that and show Brody.
Oh, that's huge. Whoa, that's big. Man, that's actually a monster, eh?
It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah, huge.
Look at that.
Whoa. It's a big reach to get around there now, Jacko.
It's like a 44 barrel.
Right.
Oh, good girl.
It's a big crayfish. Wow, man, monster.
Big, isn't he?
Nice, nice Jacko.
Good kicking. Just stand there. Hold on.
Boys just going to finish fillet the fish, and we're going to chuck some on the barbecue later and have a good feed. We'll see you then. Oh, Master Chef, done it again. Red and jack, some potatoes, the jack wing, and some salad right there. Some salad right there. Nice work, team.
Yeah. Very tasty.
Hell yeah. Mind if I do?
Go big man.
Go for it before you think too much. Just nail it.
That's it for another episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. You can like it.
Yes, you can.
Which gives it a thumbs up. Get the merch.
Youngbloods.co. We'll see you guys in the next episode.
Yeah.